नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं अनिरुद्ध, आप सभी का द सिविल गुरुजी और स्वैग से स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे चैनल में। कैसे आप लोग? होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर सेफ। सो वी आर हियर अगेन विद अ ब्रांड न्यू अपडेट that we are going to launch, we are going to start basically our new subject in the GATE 2023 crash course in the champions batch. हमारा दो बैच चल रहा है, one is champions batch, one is rank up batch. तो champions batch is mainly related to the civil engineering topics where most expected questions, the concepts to the most expected questions subject wise and chapter wise is getting discussed every day. And rank up batch where the math and apti basically concept through expected questions are going to be discussed, plus along with the PYQs as well. तो ये सारे चीजें यहाँ पे हो रहा है. तो already we had started our champions batch with geotechnical engineering and environmental engineering. तो environmental engineering has ended up, उसका टेस्ट भी हो चुका है. So the next subject that we are going to start from Monday is your transportation engineering. So in case you didn't register yet for the course, definitely fill the Google form which is there in the description as well as in the first pinned comment in this video. You can also register yourself just by doing a simple thing: join my Telegram group and DM me and say that I am interested in GATE 2023 champions batch or rank up batch, whatever you feel comfortable in. That's why I'm asking you to fill the form, actually Google form concerned. This is for online part. Now coming to the offline part. In offline also there is a particular institute called IMS GATE Academy where I have been teaching. I have already finished teaching transportation engineering over there, highway, railway and airport, everything with full detail. So definitely in case you want that, at least you want the notes and stuff, everything, definitely join. Those people who are in Kolkata, actually those people who are staying in Kolkata, definitely they can prepare for the last 5 months, because almost all the subjects in the upcoming 5 months are going to be taught by me over there in that particular institute. So we have just started RCC actually over there in the offline institute. So to get enrolled in the offline batch, if you are from Kolkata, the center is in Baliganj actually near. So you can definitely contact in the number which is given in the description. Okay, you can definitely contact that particular person and you can communicate among yourselves, and you can communicate with that person to know about the details and all the stuff. That is regarding the offline part, and this is the online part. The online part fees is starting from only rupees 2699. Yes, you are hearing me right. Definitely this price you are going to get even further discounts, like 10% discounts for all government college students, and also you are going to get 10% extra discounts if you are a female student. So all of these particular things exclusively for you. Yes, you are hearing me right. So join it just before 10th. Okay, 10th को 10:30 या 11 बजे से almost 10:30-11 AM से we are going to start transportation engineering first class. So definitely do join before that just by filling the registration form, just showing your interest. Okay, after that my team will connect with you. You just clarify all your doubts over there. जो doubt है आप मेरे साथ directly बात करके clear कर सकते हो regarding the courses and stuff. Okay, and after that only join. And also here EMI facilities are available without any credit card, just with a very little interest, only rupees 100 or 150 suppose interest is there, for 2 months, 3 months, actually very less interest is there. So in the combo packs, basically like where you are joining for civil as well as your math apti, and also along with that we have launched the environmental science and engineering courses where also classes are going on. So काफी सारे चीजें एक साथ होने वाला है. So I want everyone to join the online or offline as per your convenience batches currently right now, if you really want to be successful in GATE 2020. In yesterday's video itself, if you remember, that I was saying about the vacancies in the PSUs. So if you can effectively use this last 4 months, you can easily crack those and at least get into IITs and NITs when you are practicing through the most expected questions. So meeting you there in the course very soon. जल्दी कर लीजिए रजिस्टर और मिलते हैं दुनिया की सबसे अफोर्डेबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे. टेक केयर गाइस.